I tell Rummy back.
Real, I'm on there raw, mess my dogs, get the ball. You sound for the game, don't call a lot. Don't want to swing and hit your jaw. I'm the crowd, don't need no cross. Something give since you lost. You saw one nigga get your jaw. From the east is what we talk. Pushing P like the chills, what we call it. X with the me like small balls. Send me to jail, and I can't talk. Since our rear time she call. Try to call me, so I ball. Shit, no nigga need to change my jaw. Speak it to me, watch how you talk. I'm big general, you see how I walk. What's going on, guys? It's your boy King Habits back with another POV drive for you. As you can see, it's another sunny day, beautiful sky. You out here feeling good. Gotta keep this stuff going, you know. You gotta live life to the fullest. Come out of your elements. They be dangerous right there on that road. But yeah, you're probably trying to figure out why the video quality looks better than the camera. Not that my camera turned as soon as I said that, but y'all got me swerving. But I'm taking a different way today. That way I can get y'all on the highway. But I'm going to meet up with my friend, aka my crush. Ooh, what is that? What kind of car is that right there? A white car? Kind of like a Corvette. I think it's a Corvette. Yeah. If y'all new, make sure y'all subscribe and comment down below video ideas, like what type of POVs y'all want to see. Do y'all want to see highway POVs? Do y'all want to see downtown POVs? Do y'all want to see like street POVs like this? Yeah, just let me know. And I also gotta do another video for this channel. It's gonna go into the dealership. That brightness up too high. I don't like that right there. They've been doing this construction right here for I think like three years now. Yeah, because they was doing this my first year here in Baltimore, and then I went to Texas for the second year, and now this is my second year here. So altogether 3 years. They've been still on this one part. Yeah, look at this. We bought water, guys. I don't think you can see it that way though. There's water over there too. But this is like the port barn, Baltimore Seagirt. You see that? I wish this diesel gonna get in the lane he's supposed to be in. He's supposed to be in that lane right there. But I think get the mini diesel. Alright, I think he let me pass. Get in that lane right there. So we're gonna get over. I like this green on this truck though. I had seen a truck, like a diesel truck, and it was purple. I'm like, that purple was fresher than a color purple on a car. I'm like, how is that possible? If you continue straight, that's going towards my job. I thought I seen an undercover cop. This road that we coming up on, bro, I'm telling you, this road got too many bumps. If the camera seems a little shaky, that's gonna be what. But my job is there. You can see it from this angle, from this way too. You kind of see it, the building right there. I got focus on. Ooh, you heard that? Got focus on these bumps because these bumps is dangerous. Look at that. All them crates there. But this is the back of my Amazon. That dock area where the trucks come.
close by New York, Washington. I think we're close by New Jersey. I think we're close by New Jersey. What else? What else we close by? I gotta look on the map, but we close by some other places too. This the other side of the building, or the back left corner. I don't know what building that is right there. I think it says MTD something. I don't know. I was gonna try to zoom in, but we moving. Being on this little bridge thing, you can literally feel the trucks like going, like you can. It's like rocking. You got trains down there. I haven't been on a train in a minute, guys. I think I want to go on a train soon. Ain't nobody behind me. See, I'm off the phone, guys. Like, I was debating on if I wanted to do a vlog today, because you know when you be having a camera in the mall, they be like, oh, you can't record, so it's like I don't really got time to be wasting my battery. Why he get this hook from his trailer? There's something going on with this something. What is it? I don't know what it's called. Coupling hook, something like that. I think that's what it's called. Sure, you know about it coming over. Hey, look at that. Ain't that so pretty? Come on, y'all. So we entering the highway. Like I was saying last video, guys, everybody, you need to find something you love doing, like you would have no problem doing every day. Invest in yourself to be better, to get better. Because people, got picked up. People always told me that put yourself before anybody else, basically. Because it's like, how you gonna try to help somebody when you can't even really help yourself? So that's what I'm doing. Because like, I want to help my sister, I want to help my mom, I want to help my granny, I want to help my friends. Working on myself to be better, to get better in all aspects of life. And it's more doing than just saying it. Because people could just say anything, but their action will speak louder. I had to switch hands, I couldn't do it. And plus we was on like a little turn right there. But I bet you they probably like, damn. Like as soon as I get close to him, they want to swerve in my lane. Like, come on man. That's not a green car. Green Civic. Who's this coming up on the side of me? A Volvo. What y'all think about Volvos? Y'all like them? Got a little, is that Nissan going up there? Have y'all seen that meme going around? It's like, they say Nissan Altima or Nissan Maxima? Nissan Altima and Nissan Maxima. I don't know how to say it, Maxima. One of them. But how they talking about they can keep up with the Hellcats and Chargers basically. But I know it's just for jokes and laughs. Cause no 4-cylinder, 6-cylinder can keep up with an 8-cylinder car. That's pushing almost that's pushing over 600 horsepower. So we went to the Chevrolet dealership that's right down there. I don't think y'all seen it, but we gotta go to the Dodge dealership that's on up the street there. No trains down there. And we made it to our exit, guys. Catch a show when we on the road again. Alright guys, so we made it to my friend's house. We just walked in over here to look at these two cars that's for sale. I don't know what the temp is out here. I know it's 2:23 p.m. but it's warming up a little bit. We're gonna take a look at this Ford Fusion SE V6. They want, it's fully loaded. They want $2,800 for it. Low miles, 140K. One owner. And they got the number on the back. If you want to check it out, hit them up. Ooh, that's a main scratch on there. Mile 1 auto group. It says fully loaded, drive excellent, no issues, one owner. The inside is nice. Leather, I know the leather hot. Got a rip in the seat. You know what I'm saying? It's a nice car. But what's getting me is that there's a ding. There's a little ding right here. That's what's getting me. The way I can see better on the inside from this angle. Typical Ford inside for this year. From the 2000 to the 2014s. Then after the 15 comes, that's when they updated the interior. So what's this? A 2006 Saturn what? Saturn Ion. Low miles. They want $2,500 for it. 110K miles. One owner, and it's by the same dude that's selling that. But he's from the same people. The visual spec, hubcaps can be new. Interior is decent. It's cloth interior. I don't know about the handbrake thing right there though. I'm saying it's a nice interior for what it is. Got a couple stains in the seat, but that's what you're going to expect for this model. Alright guys, we back. I just drank my lemonade. But we're back. We're on our way to our dealership right now. To the Dodge dealership. That way I can shoot the other part of the video. Not this one, but shoot another video before they close. Because right now it is 5:40. And I think they close like at 6, 7. So I'm trying to hurry up and get there before they do close. Is that a police officer? We would never know. I don't know why it'd be looking dark to me. But yeah. I had went to the mall already. Not that one. I went to a mall called White Marsh. I didn't get nothing. I was just with my friend. I had to take him to the mall. was debating on it. I was debating on if I wanted to do a YouTube video. Like if I wanted to do a vlog there. I decided not to because we were going to be going in their stores and I know they're going to be like, oh, no recording in here, please. So I don't want to deal with that again. So I'm going to finish this video. I'm going to let y'all know now the video going to end whenever I get to the dealership. Then I'm going to start the next one. So it's going to be the video after this one going up on the channel. Then I'm going to go home and then I'm going to do my gaming. For my gaming. They go to the dealership right up there. I might have to drive like this, like warm, like on the seat. Get up in here. I told myself that I was not gonna go to a Dodge dealership, but here we are. Where did we park? I'm gonna park down here. My bad, guys. I'm trying to back again. Look at that charger. Alright, guys. That's going to be the end of the video. Hope you enjoyed it. If so, hit that like button. Subscribe if you're new. And comment video ideas that your boy could do on this channel that's car related. And if you're in the Maryland area, like any of the Maryland area, hit me up. Like if you got a Charger, any car that you think is good to be shown on YouTube, hit me up, and then we can link up and do a video for your car. But yeah, guys, I'll catch y'all in the next one. Hey guys, the 392 out.